Page 49, My Kite. Introducing a new note here for the treble clef. It is the F, right below the G. G, remember, is an anchor note for a treble clef because the treble clef is also known as a G clef. As the next to the bottom line is G, well, the F is the bottom space here, right below G. So now we've got all 5 of these notes in treble clef. I'll leave it to you to just know what that note is from now on. I'm going to pretend you know what it is. You can always drill yourself on the note names. Remember the play and say it drill? You just pretend all the notes are whole notes or something. It doesn't matter. And then you just play them. G, F, G, F, E, F, G. And then the left hand is G, F. You just play and say the note name at your speed and drill yourself with the names of the notes. Now, as you play them, you're not thinking that. You're thinking down a step, up a step, whatever. You're following the kind of flow of the music. Down, up, You're just kind of following the flow of the music. It's hard to explain. It's something you really kind of got to just experience. Anyway, let's see what this kite is up to. Look it over. It's 1 line long with a repeat sign, so we're going to play it twice. Treble and bass clef signs again. 4/4 time signature. I got a lot of these dotted rhythms that we've had. Hopefully you understand this dotted rhythm. Hopefully. So both hands are playing, but 1 hand at a time. Let's just try it out. Third finger is here, and puts a hand here. And the left hand is thumb here, so that puts a hand here. So we're here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea? So you play and count it out carefully, and then go back through and get rid of the hesitations. Hopefully by then you don't need to count it anymore. You can feel it. You might have to count the whole notes to make sure you're holding them out 4 counts, but otherwise you really just feel this. No hesitations, then the dynamics. What starts MF is mezzo forte, is sort of loud, whatever you think that is. 1, 2, 3. Whatever you think the sort of loud is, and then measure 5, it's soft. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So just rolling or passing weight from one finger to the other. You don't take it my speed, you take it at your speed. Speaking of speed, it says smoothly. Wasn't that nice? That has nothing to do with speed, because I can do smoothly at a lot of speeds. Think of a kite up in the air doing its thing, okay? I have no idea. Just use your imagination, because mine is about tired right now. I need more coffee. 2, 3. 2, 3. 3. 3. My smoothly for now. I need a little more coffee or wine or something. That would change. So you take it at your smoothly. The idea with smoothly is you're pretty much connecting the notes. I'm going to have to start talking about connecting the notes or disconnecting them here before long, because that's another thing we do when feeling the music. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Feel these. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Feel the natural accents. Now there's a closer look here toward the bottom of the page. It says trace the treble G line with a blue marker, assuming you have a blue marker, or crayon. That works too, it is. Then trace the bass F clef with a red marker. See, these are the landmark notes. So in the top staff, that's treble. The next to the bottom line, you just trace along that line. Don't make a mess, just trace it. And then same thing in the bottom staff, you do the F line, or the line between the dots, because it's an F clef. These are the landmark area. They're just reinforcing the landmark notes is all they're doing. Let's play this together slowly. Check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do louds and softs, but we will repeat it, and I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3, repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, off. There's a duet at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. You play what you just played. I'm going to speed this up a bit. I need you to go 2 octaves up on the keyboard. So just pretend middle C goes up. That's 1 octave. That's 2 octaves. So pretend middle C is way up here. And instead of here, you're here. You're up here. Play it all up here. You can move and sit in front of that if you want. Pretend that this is middle C and sit in front of that, and you're fine on this. Because it's a duet. Otherwise, I say you don't move. You stay in the middle of the piano and you just turn and you reach. But in a duet, a lot of times you have to move because the other person is sitting on the other part and you have to share it. No. 1, 2, ready, go.